In today's video, I will teach you 3 ways to invert masks in Lightroom. Let's get started. Inverting masks in Lightroom allows you to apply adjustments to the opposite area of the initial selection, enabling more creative and targeted edits. Here are 3 methods to invert masks in Lightroom. First is inverting a radial filter. To do this, open the Develop module and select the Radial Filter tool, or simply press Shift-M on your keyboard. Now, we're going to create a mask. To do this, click and drag on your image to create the desired elliptical mask. In the Radial Filter panel, check the Invert box under the Mask options. This will apply your adjustments outside the selected area rather than inside. This is perfect for creating vignettes or enhancing the edges of your photo while leaving the central subject untouched. The second method is inverting a linear gradient. To do this, open the Develop module and choose the Graduated Filter tool, or simply press M on your keyboard. Then click and drag across your image to create a gradient mask. In the Graduated Filter panel, check the Invert box to apply adjustments to the opposite area of the gradient. This is useful for selectively enhancing skies or foregrounds by inverting the adjustment focus. And the third method is inverting a brush mask. In the Develop module, select the Adjustment Brush tool, or simply press K on your keyboard. Then paint over the area that you want to adjust. Check the Invert box to apply adjustments to the opposite area of the gradient. This is ideal for applying effects to the background or surroundings after painting over the main subject. To better see the areas affected by your mask, toggle the Show Mask Overlay option by pressing the 0 key. This helps in refining the mask before and after inverting it. Inverting masks in Lightroom is a straightforward but powerful way to refine your edits, allowing you to target areas inside or outside your initial selection. Whether you're working with radial filters, gradients, or brush masks, knowing how to invert them expands your creative possibilities and ensures more precise control over your adjustments. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.